I know I said the last video was going to be the last unprofessional one where I put on coordinate, but I just got home from school and my package arrived. This is multiple items, hopefully. I was really scared when it wasn't where it was supposed to be, but thankfully, because my mom's smart and she got home after quick groceries, she brought it inside for me, and I am thankful. So let's get started. I wonder if I have any scissors nearby. I really don't want to use my sewing scissors, but I will if I have to. And the reason why is that it dulls the scissors. So here we go. Let's be careful about this. I don't want to risk my parasol. When I shake it, earlier I threw some beads. Oh, I think that's all. We only need one side open. So yeah, it is a bunch of stuff, and here's my new parasol. It also doubles as an umbrella. So this is a Totes Elements Wedding Girls Rain Parasol. It was about $10. And I know what you're thinking, oh, you shouldn't have done that. It's probably bad quality, but I looked up the reviews. They said it was good quality. The reason why I got a girl size is because balance out my outfits. And it also has a button. See right here. So all you do is you close it when you want to, and then this button right here, the one that I have, releases it. Oh no, an umbrella inside. It's everything I dreamed it'd be. The canopy's pretty good too. I feel so happy and frilly. So that's my parasol. I was just checking the time because I only have a limited time to record, and that would suck. All right. Moving on is what I have ordered. Here they are. These are to fabric markers. Do not use these for coloring normal fabric. These are to design a print that I'm working on a dress I'm working on. Well, JSK technically. Let's see. They said that they were acrylic. They were fine tip. So let's hope that they didn't lie to us. They're bullet point fine. Oh, they are bullet point fine tip. Not as much as I had hoped. And there goes my sets. And I will be keeping these in their original packaging, unlike most of my markers, because I don't want to lose even one of these, and will they stop falling out of the package? Oh well, I'll clean that up later.